everybody, welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to be teaching you how you can make money by writing. You won't need any skills to be able to do this or any investments either. You don't even need to be an expert to do this. If you want to know how, then we suggest you stay for the whole video. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our making money online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. We're going to teach you how to make at least $500 a day using a trick that we've learned on Google. Remember that the only way that this will work is if you follow the steps correctly, because if you don't and you make a mistake, then chances are your method won't actually work. So stay tuned and maybe take down some notes, and let's just get started. First step is to go on your default browser and then proceed to type in moneypantry.com. Once you've done that, you're going to see this page right here. Now, if you look through the web page and if you scroll down, you'll see that there are some make money tips, save money tips, and freebies as well. Under those three are different websites that will get the job done for you. We just wanted to show you that for a while so you can get a little background, since on this webpage as well, you can see different information on the website, and so you can understand its relation to our money-making method today. Now, we want you to open a brand new tab and type in moneypantry.com/get-paid-to-write. Now, make sure you correctly type that in, because it needs to be exactly the same for the page to pop up to be the same as the one you're seeing on our screen now. Right away, you'll see that you can get paid to write by using the website listed on this website. That will pay you $50 to $3,000 per blog post. Isn't that insane? Now, if we scroll down, there are so many writing jobs that you can apply for. You can see so many different things that you can write about. In this video, we want you to click on Vibrant Life, which you can find under General Interest post right here. Just follow along the video so you don't get lost. Once you've chosen that, you'll see a whole page of the writer's guidelines, which means you'll see here all that you need to know to write about so that the content of the blog post you're going to be writing will be accurate and correct for this job listing. You can see over here philosophy, style, submissions, manuscripts, reliability, payment, and all of the other information they provide. Basically, everything you need to know. The steps are basic when it comes to creating your own article. First, you'll need to find out what this writing job requests of you, and then you go ahead and start your research. Read about the topic a little, maybe look up some articles in the same subject, copy it, and then you can go on spinbot.com to have it paraphrased so that it's like you made the whole thing on your own. Aside from what we've shown you, you can go ahead and check out the other links that were listed down, because as you know, you can easily go on there and find whatever it is that interests you. Because the more interested you are in the subject, then the more you have to write about and the better your output will be. There are some listings that pay per article, and there are some that pay per word. Just imagine looking through all of these listings and trying a lot and then earning a lot. It's as easy as that. You don't even need to go on Google and look up jobs like this individually, because in the trick that we just showed you, everything is already on there. So that's one less job for you. So make sure to follow that exactly, because it will most definitely lessen the hassle for you in looking for jobs under categories like this. Make sure to stay until the very last second of today's video, because we're going to show you another extra trick to be able to make amazing articles very easily. You will not believe this. Now, we want you to go ahead and visit Quora.com. We want you to make this website the main source of all of your information that you're going to be including in the articles that you're going to be creating and submitting. So you can either log in with your Google account or Facebook account, or sign up. Or if you already have a Quora account, then you can easily just log in. You actually don't need to create an account because all you're really going to be doing is searching, which you can do on the website without an account. But I'm actually subscribed and I love the reads that they send to me once in a while, and I think it would be nice if you would dive into them too. Anyways, it is on this website that you can find content for the articles that you're going to make, and then simply just copy them, and then like we mentioned earlier, you can go on spinbot.com to get the whole copied article paraphrased, and it would look like you made it all by yourself, which means no copyright or plagiarism happening, so that should be the least of your concerns. So you can see the search bar on the web page, which isn't too hard to find. And then that is where you're going to look up the topic of the article that you need to write. You can even post questions if you like, but that isn't really the main focus of today's video. So yes, basically you can get your content from here, but make sure that you paraphrase it so that you don't get copyrighted or anything. You can read through all of the options and opinions given on your topic. Try asking questions too, because there might be answers for them already, so you can add those information into the articles that you will be making. Now you're going to proceed by opening Google Docs, which is simply where you're going to be inputting your article, because Google Docs easily corrects any grammatical error, as well as misplacements of words and wrong spellings too, which makes the whole creation process way easier since you won't need to proofread it because Google Docs is already doing that for you. This is completely free, so try and utilize these free online workstations made because it actually helps a lot, more than anyone assumes it does. So open Google Docs, just follow what you're doing to create a brand new blank document, and then from there, you can already start organizing your articles there. Another thing about Google Docs is that if you want to start from scratch and not actually copy from a whole article and just paraphrase, you can do that. You can actually speak rather than type, and here's how you're going to do it. Go on Tools in the bar on top and then select Voice Typing. So basically how this works is that you're going to speak into your computer, whatever it is that you want typed down, and then they'll type it all down for you. So if you want an article to come from maybe a video or an interview or just you simply talking and you don't want to have to type all of these down one by one, you can easily do this step because Google Docs will type in everything for you. It's super convenient and it's definitely the best thing ever. That is mostly it, but there is one more thing that we would like to add. Try going on Google and looking at Get Paid to Write. Now, it's important to remember that the website we were on earlier that showed us a lot of different websites is still different from what we're showing you right now. So this acts as an addition to all the other websites that you just saw. More websites means more sources of income and making a pretty decent amount from it too, if you compile them all together. So make sure that you try all of those out. We hope that you stayed all the way up to here, because if you did, then that means you're going to have an amazing day. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.